Hey yo, it's heating up outside and in our community. We got 2 winning testimonials today, and we're gonna start with Jen. Jen says, am I dreaming? I don't know what's better, waking up in Bali or waking up to a $900 sale while in Bali. It's the best of both worlds, and better yet, it's not a dream. It's my reality. Imagine that. Let's check out Sonia. Sonia says $1,800 day. $1,800 in one day. This is a phenomenal program. I'm so very grateful to be a part of this community. If you've been looking for a way to start earning you some extra income so that you can stop worrying about how you're gonna pay those bills, so you can stop worrying about how you're gonna take that trip, if you're gonna be able to take that trip, or if you're ready to just kick that part-time job or that side hustle so that you can start freeing up yourself to create some more memories with your family, I would absolutely love to show you the program that's allowing us to do that. This same program that these ladies are following is the same program that I followed that allowed me in the last 30 days to have these results and to start getting notifications like this to my phone. If you're interested in a program that we're following, a simple step-by-step system, drop me a 1. I would absolutely love to give you some information on this program, because this program is the same program that's allowing me to create some beautiful memories with my wife while continuing to live abroad. If you're interested, drop me that 1. And remember, things will never ever change if you don't first change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.